Hello everybody, welcome to Cinecore. Now I have a show here called Gates at Gladstones. This project I started a little while ago, and I'm going to go ahead and add some documents and show you how the desktop works. If you were to create your own project, this all would be empty and you can go ahead and fill it. Now you see that I have the little plus signs here. That means that I can add information to these widget areas. So if I don't have permission is basically granted by the show creator or the project creator, and they can gift permissions editing to like a production coordinator or UPM or somebody of that sort. And so if you don't have permission to add to any of these areas, you just simply won't have the plus signs. And some of these tabs might not be available to general people on the crew. But we're going to go ahead and run through the dashboard real quick. I'll start on the left. So this is a quick crew list, and all of the information here is linkable. And on mobile, the phone number you can call directly and you can send messages. It's really slick and really easy. And if you'd like to see a more traditional crew list, you can again view the expanded crew list, which is really great. It's searchable by first name, last name, and title and or role. So if you're looking for a producer, you can simply type in producers and it'll show you all of the producers very quickly. In today's documents, we're only going to see documents that are have been posted or pinned with today's date. So I have no documents in here. Everything has rolled into past documents now. I haven't uploaded anything for today specifically. So if I click this little button here, I can see all the past docs that I've uploaded in today's docs area. Today I don't have anything, and I don't have anything in the future. But that's a nice little drop down. So you know that you're only working off the most current information that's right here in today's docs. So let's go ahead and add something to today's docs. I'm going to pin today's date, and I'm going to add a prelim. Now I've already added a prelim with this name, so it's going to ask me to name it. Very simple, very fast. Now it's posted. You can double click to open documents. You may zoom in, zoom out. You can have as many windows open as you'd like. You can also create folders. So I can create a new folder here in today's docs if I would like. And those folders will stay. So here I have our day of days, day out of days. I don't have anything in there. And if I were to upload, it'll simply give me the option to add to our day of days. Great, and now we have some file in our day of days. But I'm going to go ahead and discuss alerts real quick too. So the alerts, you can, if you're not an iOS user, if you're working off of something like Android, you can download the desktop and you can send or set your alerts to text you when a new document's been posted, send you an email when a new document has been posted here, and attach the file if you choose. So you will be alerted anytime anything new has been posted here. And there's alerts for every single one of these widgets, adding of scripts, today at a glance, any new call times or call time adjustments, and or announcements. So and you can post any type of PDF document here within Cinecore. So the beauty of Cinecore is that you create, you don't have to learn anything new. So any schedules, strip boards, production calendars, anything like that, create them in your normal creators. You don't have to learn a new system here in Cinecore. Simply output that as a PDF, and then that will view from within Cinecore. And a permission for security reasons is you can actually turn off printing from the entire system and turn off the ability to attach files here, so that all of the files would be locked within Cinecore, so people can't actually share them or forward them or get them out anywhere as well. And we have watermarking, but I'll talk about that later. You'll see a whole half-hour script here is watermarked with my name. They load very, very quickly, as do all the documents. So I'm going to go ahead and add a Today at a Glance. A Today at a Glance is just kind of a quick list of what's going on today. Production coordinators were saying they get asked all the time, even though the information is on the call sheet. So you can just do a quick rundown. You can type anything you'd like in here, and you can hit post. So anyone who has the alert now just got all of this information either texted to them or emailed to them. So it includes the message, and again, it'll attach files if you have that chosen. Now, call time is very simple. We simply select the date. So I'm going to choose today. And you know what? We're doing night shoots, so it's going to be 5 p.m. I'm going to save and post. Now my new call time is reflected here, as well as anyone who had those alerts set will also receive that. And then everybody on the iOS mobile will have access to that on their dashboard as well. The weather information is pulling from our location today. I don't have any locations in for today. I'll show you how to add those in a minute. Or in one of our other videos, but that widget will read, sunrise, sunset, highs and lows, and wind information from the shooting location. The default is it uses my computer until there's a location put in there. Now, crew announcements are great. You can blast out crew announcements to individuals, to departments or groups, and you can blast them out if you have permission. You can blast it out to the entire crew. So here I'm going to go ahead and select the entire crew and save. And I'm going to go ahead and say, call time today has been pushed to 5 p.m. I can attach a document if I would like. You know what? I'm going to add, we got a production meeting later. I'm going to go ahead and attach that document. And I'm going to post that to the entire crew. Now, all of our iOS users just got an announcement that that a new crew announcement has been posted, and it will include the message in that announcement, and they can view the attachment as well. And then anybody who is on desktop or Android can get that text or an email sent to them, and it'll also include that attachment for that production meeting that we talked about. So it's very neat, and you can send messages back and forth to specific groups. Here I have a group going with the producers. I can send them a quick message right from here. Check your file share. I'll show you guys about file sharing, but it's very simple, very easy to post to groups and to different individuals directly. So that's about it for the dashboard. You're able to adjust your settings. You can make any of your information visible or invisible, and you can set your passwords and things of that nature. I can do show settings. I can adjust any of our information here, as well as create a new project. And then also, if I'm a part of several projects, if I'm a network or a studio, and I want to keep tabs on several projects, here are all the projects that I'm currently logged into right now. So I can jump to a different project, and all of this information within seconds here will automatically change over. And I'm in a completely different show with a whole new crew. So it's very exciting, it's very interesting, and it's very quick to get the information that you need fast and easy, and then get out. So we'll go back to Gates at Gladstones, and then you don't have to switch projects to view your crew lists for these different projects. So I can simply click here, and these are all of my crew lists. So you don't have to keep toggling back and forth between shows. And we will also save your crew lists of every project that you've been a part of in Cinecore, so that you can easily reference if you would like to rehire somebody. Let's say you enjoyed a lighting person from a different show. You can go into that show, you can look for that crew member, And then you can, you know that their information is correct even years later because they're automatically updating it on their end in their settings. It's tied with their login. So it's a really neat system. You always know that you have your past crew lists right here with you. So that's basically the dashboard. And then watch for other videos, and we're going to go ahead and roll out and show you how to use the other tabs here.